The second loop in Python programming language is while. Let us see how to play with while. I am taking a variable I, assigning the value of 1 while I is less than or equal to 100 colon. Remember indentation colon print I. If you don't increment I here, it is going to be an infinite loop. I am going to increment I equal to I plus 1. It is going to print all the values starts from I up to 100. The same way how we add conditions in for loop, we can add the same conditions in while loop too. For example, if you want to print only even numbers, we can mention like this: if I modulus 2 equal to 0, then only print I. Here you can notice all the even numbers are printed.